Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are trying to find the topmost customer, so each region wise as well as year wise. So please try to watch all my previous videos like a SQL Server development, performance tuning, and a Power BI as well as integration service. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, share with your friends, colleagues as well as like and comment. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So already we have seen different kind of examples like how to find the product in topmost to bottommost. So same thing like how to find the topmost customer, so with respect to the region as well as year wise. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report and all. Okay, so now we can see that category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, so sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. So go to the model, so collapse, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between all the tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, you can see that based on these key column, I have enabled the relationship between the product and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that wealth propagation flowing from the product table to internet sales. Like that, I have designed the relationship. So in the upcoming session we'll try to focus more on so different kind of options, whether we have to do manually or auto active relationship, how to do that. We'll try to see all kind of possible options. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report only. So go to the report, and also we can see one more table we have created, so that is a product ranking. So why I have created, so I'll try to explain. Go to the data column, so just click on product ranking. So now you can see that, so we have two columns, one is product rank and number, one top 1 2 3 4 and respect to 1 2 3 4. Why I have created, because in the report if you notice here, you can see that, so this column I have used as a slicer. Okay, and also why I have created extra column here, sometimes it's not sorting, it's not giving properly. So that is written for a helper column. I have taken number as a, so easily we can sort by using this column. So that is the reason I have created this column. Okay, now so here each customer wise, so we have total sales. So each customer wise we have total sales and also ranking. So each customer wise total sales and ranking. So this is the each region wise sales. Okay, so we can see that United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany. So each region wise what is the percent of sales, and here we have two slices, one is year, another one is top slide. I mean 1 2 3 4 something like that. So this is the card visual. So our requirement is to find the topmost customer wise, so year wise. Okay, for example, if I want find top one customer in 2002, what is that? So this is the topmost customer. For example, top 2 means just click on here, automatically it will give the, so whether you want to see the top 1 top 2 top 3 top 4 with respect to the each year wise. Okay, with respect to the, we can select any year, so dynamically it gives the, so customer name and the card result. So there are cases we can display the top product name, top customer name. Maybe there are some cases we'll get the requirement like that. So that is the reason I have created different kind of examples and rank x and top and functions. So it's one of them. And also we can check each region wise also. For example, in the United States in 2003, I want to see the top 4 customer name. Okay, top 3, top 3 who is there? Okay, top 1, this one, 2 3. We can select anything, it works dynamic nature. Okay, so now we'll try to see what kind of expressions I have written to get this expected output on. Okay, go to the demo measures, So now you can see that there are three measures are there. So first one is total sales. So just try to zoom it. Now you can see that total sales. So I have used the calculate some x function to get the total sales and also rank x, another one is. So here so I have declared one variable. So within the variable I have used the rank x, and also while declaring the table name, so I have used the filter function. So basically in descending order it's not required most of the cases, but if you're trying to find bottom customers in ascending order, maybe there are cases that so if you select each region, or maybe some customers do not have sales, so in that case we'll get the rank 1. So that is the reason, even though they don't have sales, they will get as a so top bottom customer. So if you don't want like that, we need to filter the data. So whatever the customer having sales, only we have to take those customers. If the customer did not have sales, we have to ignore that. So that is the reason we have filter, we are using the filter function to filter the customers, and also total sales and descending order. So I'm using the dense. So because if the customers 2-3 customers having the same sales, means I'm just, instead of skipping the rank, I'm giving the different ranks. We can try to watch rank x function. So I have explained around 15 examples. So I think almost I covered all kind of different use cases in matrix and table like that. So try to watch it if possible. So like that, so it gives the ranks each customer wise. So here in best selling product one, so here I have declared one variable. Within the variable I have used the selected value function. So in the selected value function I am taking the slicer value. What are the slice we are checking, I mean selecting, I'm just taking that number. So if you want to select top one means 1, 2 means 2, 3 like that. So I am passing for the rank x measure, rank 1 measure, that value. Okay, so in the filter function I am taking the customer names, and within the customer names I have used the rank 1 measure. For that I am passing that value. If it is 1 means 1, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, like that it works. So I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe my channel. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.